Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to register and activate Axis Bank Internet Banking. Type Axis Internet Banking in browser search bar. Click Internet Banking Axis Bank. Click Register. Type your customer ID. Click Proceed to next step. Type your Axis Bank account number. Type your registered mobile number. Click Proceed to next step. Type your debit card number. Type your debit card PIN or ATM PIN. Type ATM card expiry month and year. Check the terms and conditions. Click Proceed to next step. Type password for internet banking. Retype same password. Type OTP number get from your mobile. Click Submit. Your Axis Bank Internet Banking activated successfully. Click Go to Login page. Enter your customer ID. Type your internet banking password. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.